Magandang araw sa lahat. Christian Batabara, your trusted real estate agent, ay mag-introduce ng isang promising and affordable farm lot na perfect for agricultural business and investment for retirement. Tara, let's start. First of all, Christian Batabara ang inyong lingkod, isang real estate professional, proud member of PH Top Realty Corporation, and a father to a beautiful girl, Sofia Arteo. Let's start our presentation by asking why invest in Bataan. Sa hindi po nakakaalam, ay may itatayong Bataan, Cavite Bridge na naglalayong i-connecta ang mga probinsya ng Cavite at Bataan. The construction will start in late 2023. At tiyak na pag natapos ito, ay mas lalong magiging commercialized at prime location ang probinsya ng Bataan. Ang ating ibinebentang farm lot ay located sa Tanato, City of Balanga, sa probinsya ng Bataan. Ito po ang mapa ng project development. Kung nakikita nyo, ang color pink and blue na mapa sa babang kaliwa, ito po ang phase 1. At ito naman po ang phase 2. Pagka-release pa lang, within 2 months ay nasold out po. Kaya habang maaga pa, ay sana makapagpa-reserve kayo itong phase 3 na kulay dark and light brown na mapa. Ito naman po ang sample pictures ng farm lot sa Bataan. Perfect po talaga siya for retirement investment, for agricultural business, piggery and poultry. Pwede ka rin gumawa ng treehouse. Sobrang dami mong magagawa sa 500 square meter na farm lot. At ito naman po ang price list. Meron po kami na 5% off na promo valid until end of May 2023. Ang total contract price po ng inner lot is 1,100,000 pesos. Ang net total contract price niya is 1,045,000 pesos. Reservation fee of 3,000 pesos only. Down payment of 8,583 pesos, payable within 24 months, a total of 206,000 pesos. Monthly amortization of 6,967 pesos, payable within 120 months, a total of 836,000 pesos. Ang aming corner lot naman po, total contract price of 1,175,000 pesos. Net total contract price of 1,116,250 pesos. Reservation fee of 3,000 pesos only. Down payment of 9,177 pesos, payable within 24 months, a total of 220,250 pesos. Monthly amortization of 7,442 pesos, payable within 120 months, and a total of 893,000 pesos. Ang transfer of title fee is covered by the buyer. Ito naman po ang sample na farmhouse na nakita ko sa Facebook. O diba, nakaka-inspire na mag-retire sa isang sustainable na green, napaka-soothing and relaxing na feel. I just want to end my presentation sa isang meaningful quote. The best time to invest was yesterday. The next best time is today. And the worst time is tomorrow. On that note, thank you for listening. Muli, Christian Batabara, ang inyong lingkod at trusted real estate agent. Take care and God bless always. Thank you.